guy just pulled in the parking lot with a boat he wants to sell. So Chum and I are gonna go check it out.
Watch how this guy want to sell a boat, but the price. See this.
Damn, they wanted this thing to look like a 57 Chevy, didn't they?
Sure did.
Is it a convertible?
Do you know any history on it?
This boat was made in 1958 by a fledgling company named Glastron. There's probably only 150 of these boats left.
Normally I don't buy boats, they're money pits. But this thing is cool. It looks just like the 57 Chevy I got for the old man's birthday. I mean, you got all the original chrome and everything seems to be here.
I realize all the flaws with this boat. That's not, the point is just the styling, and can you even find one?
I mean, I wish I could do something. It's just, I don't even want to make you an offer. There's too much work that's got to be done for me to make anything.